Hi, this is my introduction um, for Anthropology 242. My name is Elliot Hoffman. The due date for this should be August 27th, but today is the 16th. Just trying to get this done early. So we're doing anthropology in Alaska. I think it's important in every which way, like telling people about yourself. I'm born and raised in Bethel, Alaska. I'm a sophomore status at University of Alaska Fairbanks. My interest is in the science and medical field. 2 years to go, but motivated for a degree. I have a mom and a dad named Mike and Jill, one brother and one sister. I like English and math. Um, I've taken those kind of classes in the past, and I feel like I really like those classes. I just want to get better at those. Uh, I'm a part-time pilot and a part-time fly fisherman. I'm at my best when I'm in the field, so that's me in the field working. Um, so yeah, I love being outside and being in an adventure, and I like just that's where I'm at my best. But also, what roles do I think should anthropology play in Alaska? And considering the Clifford article, which was said to be done, I think it should play many roles in terms of the article that we're reading. They talk about dancing and the Heritage Center, which are good examples, which is in Anchorage. There they said they talked about the archaeology and people being through the culture. It's been an example of bringing people together under one roof and showing them the cultures, past and present, futures in Alaska. And through Clifford's looking several ways, exemplifies that while showing the positive and negative sides and side effects of anthropology, um, that despite all the damage that anthropology causes or what it can cause, and how people looking from the outside and inside, how they view how people treat other people could be bad, that stuff like games and people bringing back face masks and people showing them off and people reculminating and finding stuff is really important. And I think it, like the cultural center here in Bethel and people dancing, things like Jamai and people using those face masks and dances and is very important. And I think when it comes to those type of roles, what I've been talking about, I think uh, like it's shown it could be fun. Um, the culture of Alaska in general is nothing but it should be nothing but fun when they go into anthropology. Anything other than that, in terms of ANCSA and all the other stuff that was proposed or that was said, talking about like dispersing money for damage that was done, it's kind of too much. Or not too much, but more like it shouldn't have happened in the first place. That's what I meant. And that's just my opinion, but other than teaching people about themselves and teaching the people there and around them about what life is like there in Alaska and what life should be like in Alaska, is very important. And the dancing and the Heritage Center are very, very crucial. And all the little activities they do there is very important. But anyways, here's my bibliography. And thank you, and I hope to enjoy this class more. And I'm enjoying reading the Clifford article in depth, more about how the anthropology in Alaska is being analyzed. Anyways, have a good day. Thank you.